This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Emily DeMaio. This bright and beautiful 2-year-old home boasts so many extras: open floor plan, custom upgrades, and extraordinary touches throughout. The kitchen has enviable storage and thoughtful design elements, such as the pot filler over the stove, and the incredible pantry so cleverly disguised as a simple cabinet front. The primary room is a separate retreat away from the other rooms, allowing for peace and tranquility in your own wing of the home. Enjoy the large soaking tub, or the massive walk-in shower with multiple shower heads. The oversized garage also contains a washing station should you or your pooch need a rinse-off after playing in the large, fenced yard. Located a 10-minute walk to lake access, and is on the Anacoco, Leesville and Parkway bus routes. Come see your new home. For more information,